Hi, honeys. How's your day going? Mine has been going fine. I know I don't look so hot, but I'm trying to stay cool. Came in from doing my running today and put my gown back on. So that's all I'm showing. No makeup, no wig. This is me in all my glory. Well, you know what I'm fixing. Chicken wings. I found a lot of chicken wings, so I bought them. They've been in the refrigerator for 2 or 3 days now. I said I better wash them and do something with them before they spoil. I got some chicken breasts too. Have to wash and season and do something. But anyway, Walter keep looking at me. I'm looking at him. And we're both hungry, and I didn't feel like getting up doing nothing. So he took out some noodles. So I got up and said, let me fix some chicken wings. So I washed some of the wings. Somebody wants to see how I do start to finish, even though I have many videos showing. So, and this is the inner pot to my Presto electric smoker and slow cooker. So this is actually the slow cooker pot. It comes in very handy. So I'm gonna sop up this water. And my wings came from 2 different places. One I ordered from Gordon Food Service. That's a company that delivers to restaurants. And 2 packs of wings came from Walmart. And the wings are different even though they're both from Tyson. Let me show y'all. This is from Gordon Food Service. That big old wing. And this is from Walmart. They're both Tyson wings. So I asked Walter, did he want the big wings or the little wings? He said he wants the smaller ones. I guess it don't have all them hormones and radiation and stuff in it. Trying to sop up water. I'm going to start with some dry wings. I ain't getting all elaborate with the seasoning today. I just want to cook it and sit down. I ain't doing all that because I don't feel like doing all that. So this will just be a hint of how I season, because I'm not using all the seasonings I usually use. Just don't feel like it, y'all. But the chicken's still gonna be good. Still gonna be nicely seasoned. Okay. That ain't all the water, but I ain't using all these wings. That's good. Just wipe off the tops. Okay, let me wash my hands before I handle the seasoning. Okay. So in the meanwhile, I'm going to preheat the air fryer. Okay. And that's all I'm using today. Some Slap Your Mama. Let me shake it up good so everything can mix. Use mustard and that's it. That's what I do. You ain't gotta go crazy with the mustard, y'all. What's the end of that? Oh. Okay. That's it. We got another one here. Ready to go just in case, but this is enough. Do I need a glove on right now? I don't think so. I'm putting some seasoning. I'm just shaking. You don't have to get all elaborate with every seasoning in the cabinet like I usually do. Okay, get a glove. Okay, want to be messing with the gloves. I'm not going in there to get the other gloves. They're in the box in the other room. So I'm just going to smush this with my hand. And the chicken won't taste like mustard. It just adds another layer of flavor. I didn't cut the wings or nothing. I'm just going to put them in here. And I don't want to do no 2 batches. I'm put them in the air fryer. Even though it's not through preheating, you don't have to. Okay. He wants some small ones. This is small. A reasonably sized wing. And this one here is just big and ignorant. 1, 2, 3. Which fix me 3 and fix him 4. So I got these big old ignorant wings. That's how it looks. Y'all see. Turn it off. Turn it back on, put it on chicken setting, and start. But I actually want to set it for 400 degrees. So let it do what it do. And I will be back. Okay, I'm done washing and seasoning all my chicken, including the chicken breast. So they're still in here. I don't feel like vacuum sealing this right now. And all I put on all this is mustard and slap your mama. So I'm gonna have to add more seasoning when I do cook. But I don't feel like it right now. So let's look at my chicken that's cooking. Looking nicely. Still got 11 minutes. Oh no. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, y'all, got a couple more minutes for the wings. And I know the smaller wings are already done. But I got such large ones in there. I'm just gonna let them all cook at the same time. Anyway, I want to thank you all for watching. I'm going to show the finished results. I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I want this basket fixed. I got my bowl fixed with my bread. And this is what I'm going to put on my wings. Some sweet heat with honey, hot sauce by Louisiana. Which is good. It's sweet and hot. on the 2, so these are done. I'm sure they're done, even though I got large wings. And this tray that this is on, this is called the Nifty Rolling Countertop Tray, and I'll put the link in my description box for it. This is the Cosori 5.8 quart air fryer. I'll put the link for that too. Okay, that's how they look. And I didn't put any oil on these wings. When you got naked wings, the skin makes its own oil. Let me take his out. I didn't flip the wings. That's how the other side looks. Trying to find the small ones. That's what he wants, the small wings. You didn't have to flip them. Put that up the door. Right here. Wait a minute. I can't tell. Okay. That's his and this is mine. Okay. I'll wash this later. That's the cleanup I got to do. And y'all see all that oil in here? It came off the skin. So unless you bread your wings, you don't need oil. I learned that from Booger 500. Naked wings make their own oil. So I'm going to take a thumbnail of both of these. His plate and mine. So that's my 3 wings. Here's four little ones. Thumbnail. Okay, I'm gone, y'all. Bye. And I ain't biting into no hot chicken right now. I'm gonna sit my tail down, finish editing videos, and eat my chicken. I ain't got nothing else to go with it. Bye.